Winter arrives. The air grows cold, and the landscape transforms into a frosty wonderland. Food becomes scarce, and survival becomes a challenge. Animals face a difficult choice: find a way to survive or perish. The struggle is evident as deer search for food beneath the snow and birds scavenge for any remaining sustenance. Some animals choose a remarkable strategy: hibernation. Bears retreat to their caves, dormice curl up in tree hollows, and squirrels burrow deep underground. They disappear into burrows, caves, or under logs, seeking refuge from the harsh winter elements, only to reappear months later when the world thaws and the first signs of spring emerge. The transformation is nothing short of miraculous. This extraordinary phenomenon has fascinated humans for centuries. Explorers, scientists, and nature enthusiasts have all marveled at the mystery of hibernation. What happens during this great winter sleep? The animal's body undergoes incredible changes, slowing its heart rate and breathing to conserve energy. Why do some animals hibernate while others brave the harsh winter conditions? The answer lies in their unique adaptations and survival strategies. Let's delve into the intriguing world of animal hibernation and uncover its secrets. Join us as we explore how these creatures endure the long, cold months and emerge renewed. Hibernation is more than just a long nap. It is a state of deep sleep that allows animals to conserve energy during periods of food scarcity and extreme cold. Think of it as an extended energy-saving mode. Metabolic processes slow down dramatically. Breathing, heart rate, and body temperature drop significantly. Animals in hibernation may appear lifeless to the casual observer. They are far from it. They are simply masters of energy conservation, expertly riding out the harshest months of the year. The primary reason animals hibernate is survival. As winter approaches, food sources dwindle and temperatures plummet. Foraging for food becomes challenging, if not impossible. Hibernation offers a clever solution. By drastically reducing their metabolic rate, animals can survive on stored body fat accumulated during the warmer months. This allows them to weather the storm, so to speak, and emerge when conditions improve. It's a remarkable adaptation to challenging environments. Hibernation is not limited to a single species or geographic location. It is a widespread survival strategy found across the globe, from the icy tundras to the dense tropical forests. A surprising variety of animals hibernate, each with unique adaptations and behaviors. These adaptations are crucial for their survival during the harsh conditions of winter or dry seasons. Mammals like bears, bats, hedgehogs, and ground squirrels are well-known hibernators. They undergo significant physiological changes to reduce their metabolic rate and conserve energy. But did you know that some birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, and even insects also hibernate? These creatures have developed their own unique methods to endure unfavorable conditions. For example, the hummingbird, a tiny bird known for its energy, enters a state of torpor, a lighter form of hibernation, during cold nights to conserve energy. This allows them to survive when food is scarce. Each species has evolved specific strategies to survive hibernation, making this phenomenon even more fascinating. From slowing their heart rates to lowering their body temperatures, these adaptations are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of nature.